Alright, welcome back. In this video, we're going to talk about how to add WordPress to your website and actually create a customizable website where you can sell your Amazon products on. Cool thing about this is once we add WordPress to our site, we don't have to know any HTML, we don't have to know any coding, we don't have to be an internet guru, because WordPress is essentially a plugin you add to your site that turns your site into a blog or a sales letter or a members area where you can pretty much import all kinds of different things that are already customized. You don't even have to know how to make. So it's really tight. WordPress is awesome. We use WordPress in many aspects of our business. But from your cPanel, all you have to do is come down here and click on Fantastico Deluxe. Another cool thing about this hosting cPanel is typically when you install WordPress to a site, you've got to download WordPress, you've got to unzip it, upload it. It's kind of a hassle. You've got to create a directory, but this is all creating everything for you. Okay, it's creating your directory, it's creating the WordPress area you're going to put this in. It's all done automatically. Fantastico Deluxe is awesome, and it comes with your hosting package, so it's really cool. So basically what you're going to do is click down here on WordPress. And you're going to go to New Installation. Alright, I got a couple sites here. So we want to add this to, let's add it just to the fasttrafficfortune.com site I got. Alright. And then you're going to have your admin access data. So this is just going to be what you're going to use to log in. So I just usually stick it with admin, then whatever password, doesn't matter. Something you'll remember. And then you'll have your admin nickname. You can go by whatever you want. And then you just type in the email that's your admin email. So basically, your admin email is going to be the email connected to this site. So if somebody sends a comment or has a question, you'll get an email to this email address. So just put in whatever you want, and then click on Install WordPress. And here it says the SQL database under Lavish Low is going to be created. So they're basically creating automatically a database inside my hosting account that normally you'd have to do manually. So it's all done for you. Very cool. And then just click on Finish Installation. Alright, so here we are at fasttrafficfortune.com. Alright, this is our customizable WordPress template. This is just the standard one it comes with. So you can see, like, it's not just a blank page anymore. I've actually got a site with a sidebar. I've got posts I can put in. The first thing we're going to do is log into our site and actually enter it through the admin. So you just do a / your site and then WP-admin. And that takes you to the WordPress admin screen, and you basically just type in your username and password that you created. Click Remember Me, it'll always remember you unless you clear your cache or cookies. And now we're here in the admin dashboard. Okay, so the first thing you want to do is go to Posts and just delete this first post here. You don't need that. Then go to Pages. There's a sample page there you don't need. You can actually, if you want to keep this, you can, but for now we'll just trash this too. If you ever want to look back at your site, just click here. Takes you right back. Okay, so we got the theme. Nothing found because we just deleted the post. So this theme's like okay, but there's definitely better themes out there. And the way you find themes in WordPress is you come back to your admin, you go to Appearance, and click on Themes. And you can go install themes, and there are tons of different things to choose from. You can pick 2 columns, the color. You can go find themes. And it shows you all kinds of cool themes you can choose from. There's lots of options, but we're not going to use these. What I'm going to show you how to use is a free theme. These are all free too, but there's a free theme that's actually optimized for SEO. So it's optimized to help you rank in the search engines for your keyword, so you can get tons of traffic in front of your products and make a lot of money. So all you need to do is go to this website. It's called mattsmarketingbloggcom/WordPress/affiliate-WordPress-theme. So here we can download this theme for free. Works really well for what we're going to try to do. Just click here and it downloads the theme automatically. So here we are, we've got this sleek.zip. So extract this specific file, and I'm using JZip. You can use whatever you want to, and I just put it on my desktop. Extract to my desktop. Cool. Alright, so now you go back to your WordPress blog. We're going to install themes, but instead of searching, we're going to upload. Choose file. So basically just go to your desktop and pull this theme right here. Click install now. Alright, and then we just click activate. That's going to activate the theme. Go back here, take a look. Nice. Okay, so now we've got a nice customized theme. We're going to go in here and do a bunch of stuff, but now it's all set up and ready to go. So now you've actually got a really cool theme that you can use. It's great for SEO. It's already got a lot of behind the scenes stuff that we don't have to even deal with, that normally you'd have to go and add on. It's kind of tedious. So thank you, Matt, but this is the free theme I think you should use going forward. So just go to that website. I put the link below this video, download this theme, and then in the next video we're going to customize this and get it all ready to rock and roll. So thanks for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next video.